Alright guys, we are back and we are getting pretty close. We got about 4 pips left to go. I just want to switch time frames here real quick. I want to show you guys that we are at a pretty strong support and resistance level here. We're at pretty strong support. If you go to the daily chart, you can see we are getting very close to that. So we might see a retest of this and then a bounce back up, or we could just blow right through it and come down here and test this area down here. So let me go back to the 1 hour chart here. Getting very, very close. It's backed off a little bit. So we will just continue waiting and continue watching. We do have a very nice downtrend here. Let's go up to the weekly chart. Let's see if I can draw a trend line and frame this a little better. Alright. If we go to the weekly chart, this is what we're looking at right here. If we go back down to the daily, we clean up these lines here a little bit. Got kind of another trend line we can draw. Just like this. Check that out. Okay, it did break the trend line here, but it immediately rejected it. So we can redraw our trend lines just like this. So that's kind of what we're looking at. We can also draw another trend line, kind of like this, and then across the top. So this is what we want to do. We want to frame the market as best we can and look for areas of support and resistance, and we're looking for things like this. So if we go back down to the 4 hour chart here, we'll zoom in and we can see that they're getting some nice bounces here. We bounced real nice off of that, came up, retested here, created a head and shoulders pattern. Okay, and what we'll do is we can measure this. Okay, and when we get a break, we got a break right here. Got a break right here. We can measure the top of the head and move that down. Okay, and it's right near our area, and we were just taken out of this trade, it looks like. Let me go back here and let me find it. Alright, we're right here. We made $804 on that trade. So that was a very, very nice trade. And as you can see, price came right down. Okay, we measured this this head and shoulders here. What we do is we press Control C. We'll copy that line. And we got the break right here, and it came down. And look where price is at right now. It fulfilled that head and shoulders pattern. So we got a break here. Our stop loss initially would have been up here, and we came all the way down to the bottom here. So it was a very nice trade. So we scooped up the rest of that, and we're doing well. So we made $804 on that trade. Overall, we've made $1,332 today. So not too bad. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.